Hello, welcome to Super Billing. In this video, we are going to see how to create a delivery challan. To create a delivery challan, on the left menu, click on Sales and click on Delivery Challan. A delivery challan screen will be displayed. Here on the right side, click on Add Delivery Challan and select the customer and select the products for delivery. Here you can provide your delivery details and dispatch details and the place of delivery. And you can also add any delivery charges. To add a delivery charge, click on Add Extra Charges and under Charges, type in delivery charge and you can give the percentage of invoice total or you can give a flat amount and click on Add Extra Charge. Here a delivery charge will be added. If you need to remove this delivery charge, click on Add Extra Charges again and click on Remove Extra Charge. Now the delivery charges will be removed. After you have made your changes, click on Save Delivery Challan and a delivery challan has been saved successfully, but it is not displayed. If it is not displayed, on the right side, click on Delivery Challan A4 or if you need it in A5 format, click on Delivery Challan A5. Now we will select Delivery Challan A4. You can share the delivery challan by SMS, email or WhatsApp, print the delivery challan or save it as PDF. While we have saved the delivery challan, we didn't get the challan right away. We have to select Delivery Challan A4. It is happening because we have not chosen the template for delivery challan. So let's fix it. Close this print preview window. Close the delivery challan window. In the left menu, click on Settings and click on Print. Here in the delivery challan template, select the template called Delivery Challan A4 or A5 according to your preference. Now I am choosing A4 and click on Save. Settings updated. Close the settings window. Now if we go to Sales, Delivery Challan and add a delivery challan, let's quickly add a delivery challan and see whether it is working. Click on Save Delivery Challan. And now you can see straight away the delivery challan is displayed and it is ready to be shared and printed. If you have any doubts or queries regarding Super Billing software, you can contact us. We are ready to help you. Thank you for watching.